Walang awa ang mundo para sa mga lalaking walang pera. By Ate Liz Chu. Tara, simulan na natin. Simulan natin, par. Bilis lang to. Kinig kayo.
Walang awa ang mundo sa mga lalaking walang pera. So if you're a guy and wala kang pera, wala kang financial means, matagal ka ng broke, I'm sorry, but you are not as desirable by people. Not just babae, but everyone in general. So boys, whatever you're doing to have money and to manage money, please seryosohin yun. Seryosohin yung magkapera, boys. Parang awa yun na. Because hindi kayo katulad ng mga babae na hindi ganun ka-harsh yung mundo sa babae kapag wala siyang pera. She's still gonna have people who will love her, who will cherish her, who will admire her. But in a man's world, it's different. If you don't have money, you're gonna get insulted. Insultuhin ka. Mamaliitin ka talaga. Ko masakit to, but come on, it's reality. Yeah. And it's been the reality for hundreds of history of years. So please, boys, stop spending time sa mga bagay na walang kwenta. True. Sa mga bagay na pampapogi lang, hindi naman nag-generate ng money. Sa mga bagay na hindi naman nakakatulong sa inyo financially. Solid. Galingan nyo, gumawa ng pera, dumiskarte kayo, maghanap kayo kung sa kayo magaling. Sipagan mo, gumising ka na maaga, magstay ka ng extra hours. Do everything so that you can have money. Especially when you're a young man.
Galing. Well, accept it or not, in reality, tama lahat ng sinabi ni ate. Yung sinabi niya na kapag broke ka, kung ikaw yung lalaking walang pera, walang awa ang mundo sa'yo. Well, I respect her opinion about those men who's into downside moment of being financial broke right now. Kasi standard ngayon. We cannot force anyone, especially yung mga babae, na gustuhin kaming mga lalaki. But, in my perspective, kaming mga lalaki, kahit gaano pa yan ka-broke na babae, kapag mahal namin yan, pipiliin namin yan in any cost. Ganon kami pumusta, boss. Pero, if yung babae, nandito ka sa ganitong senaryo, you're broke. Kung may babae man, may gusto or nagkakagusto sa'yo, kung may girlfriend ka ngayon, Chong, and she believes in you, she actually considered your situation na ganyan yung pacing mo, and she support you no matter what sa gusto mo, like hustle mo, while the other people hindi magawa yun for you. Plus, emotionally, she cheer you up na go, kaya mo yan, and here, in your side, we can win this together, and reminds you na she always by your side. Bro, win-win situation na yan. Especially if financially, she voluntarily help you to your needs nang walang hinihinging kapalit sa uli. Chong, hindi ko na kailangan to sabihin ng paulit-ulit. Mafe-feel mo yan. Na pure yung intentions, pure yung feelings niya sa'yo, because whatever it takes, her intention are clearly wanna say na you're the man, na I don't wanna choose anyone na may gusto sa akin. So, just a friendly reminder lang ulit mga Chong. Napiliin mo sana yung taong minahal ka, hindi dahil nakabase sa pera, sa fame, sa status, at lalong-lalo na sa itsura. Kasi tulad ng mundo, the world is changing faster rapidly that we could ever imagine. Lahat ng bagay dito may katapusan at naglalaho. Pero kung mahal mo yung isang tao, kahit anong mangyari, kailanman yung pagmamahal mo para sa kanya ay hindi magbabago.